ምናልሽኝ?
ያለኝ መዝጋት አለብኝ። አያስኬደኝማ። ቻፖ I put in a small amount, bro.
ወይ ወደ ፕሮፊት ትመልሻለሽ
ኢንሻአላህ። እና እንዴት ነሽ ባሻን?
አለሁልሻለሁ።
እኔማ
የዋም
ነገ ዴቦም ነገ ትመጣለች። አመጌላ ማክ bro. I'm gonna get a fucking laptop. Fuck that, bro.
ይመጣል ከችላል
ነገ ጋማ ብዬ ነው እንጂ አፕል ስቶር ሞት ያማ ጋማ ብዬ ነው አፕል ስቶር ሞት I swear to God, I need to do it properly. Like, that's ምንም feeling የለውም. That's just signal አንተን ምናምን ካልሆነ በስተቀር
ትሬድ አለማድረግ እኮ ትሬድ ሳታደርጊ ማሳለፍ መቻል አለብሽ።
Yeah, again, like at least I need the laptop to see the trading view, man. Like I'm just chilling with this joint. Also, doesn't come into my much.
I understand. ትሬድ ሳታደርጊ ማለፍን መልመድ አለብሽ።
ትክክል ብለሃል ባሻ። አማዚን እኮ እንዴት ነበረ?
አሪፍ ነበረ። ጨበስኩ።
ሙዲያሻ ከፋሚሊ ጋር ነበር?
ከባለቤቴ ጋር አሁንማ የምመስገን
ወደ ትምህርት አንተም በኢላቦሬሽን ጀምሬ ወደ ትምህርት እስኪ ኤክስፕላኔሽን
ልጆች ገባ ገባ ይበሉ ብዬ እኮ ነው። ልጆች በደንብ ይጉና
እስከዛ እኔ አደንቁልኝ አይሻልም?
አደንቁልኝ ያልኩት
አለኝሽ ኖሌጅ እንትን አታደርግልኝ። Go ahead, let's get it.
Okay, actually, we took EURUSD last week, and I think we took like 30 pips, and we stopped out because I was expecting EURUSD to come back to this level of resistance support, right? We have last support in here, resistance in here, so I was expecting EURUSD to push back up, right? I'm not so sure what's gonna happen today because we have news, and I was thinking maybe if we took above what is this, above 40 pips, we can make our stop loss to break even and expecting it to push up, right? So እንግሊዝኛ የሚያወራ ብቻ ከሌለ በአማርኛ ልሸክሽክ ለማለት ውስጥ ይመስለኛል አልገቡም ሌሎች። ስለዚህ ጋይስ at the weekly እንደምታዩት it's like we have this resistance zone and we have this support zone, right? So as you guys can see, the market is literally continuing pushing up even though we have resistance here and we use another resistance around this place. We're resisting here in a previous high and in EURUSD is because of this resistance zone, and we have this zone, right? So what I'm expecting from this market, let's go daily. What I'm expecting from this market is the market to continue pushing up. We have one as here. Like here. It didn't, even though we didn't break structure around this place, we still respected highs, right?
Yeah.
So we still respected the lower lows. So what I'm expecting from here is if we broke this level of resistance, I think we're going to continue pushing up to 1.21. So but before that, for now, why we're taking this is we have two zones. Let's go a little bit lower. We have two zones, right? Last resistance was here. Yesterday the day before yesterday, I took this trade because I was expecting the market to continue pushing back up from here as using this as a support area, but I know it's going to continue pushing up because we literally didn't pass this zone, right? So now we came back to the old channel. We came back to this zone to use this as a support. Today I wake up late, so I didn't take this trade around this place, but we literally took this one here because we still have like we still have 196, almost 200 pips to go. So I think EURUSD, if we continue pushing like this, I think we're going to have a fucking amazing move. Because we have news today, I think we're going to take partial in every 20 pips, but right now I think we already have like 6 pips in profit. So let's see what's gonna happen. So if the market didn't break this zone, I think it means we are opening another channel to come back down. But from what I'm looking right now, we literally break this zone and retest it in here, right? As you guys can see, we retested in here, this candlestick, this one.
Okay.
So I expect the market to continue pushing up. So above this level, I think we're going to be fine. I don't think we're going to retest one more time, but maybe we might see a little bit high like this and come back for this zone to retest one more time. But for now, I think we're good to go. We have a good entry, and we're going to continue pushing up. What's up, bro? So I think you need to have patience and wait. USD might a little bit slow, but we still have time before the news, right? So we have
What
like
time is the news?
already. Huh?
What time is the news?
Imagine.
Since I've lain on Zeno.
Ke 7 saat no kasi minsan pala.
New York time there.
I'm good, bro. I'm good. I think maybe if the news being in our favor, I think we're going to continue pushing our cup, but I don't want to risk too much. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have like 20 pips or 40 pips. After 40 pips in profit, we're gonna take partial, or we just, even though we don't take partial, we're gonna let the trade slide by itself. Let's go a little bit lower. Let's see if we have 3 points, right? So as you guys can see, even though after in the lower time frame, after we test this on, we continue pushing back up. We didn't use this one last time. I think when was it? I told you guys to put the stop loss to break even on this trade because we didn't make any more highs. But in this zone, we literally use this zone and still respecting the highs. So as long as we continue holding this structure, we good to go. We good to go. No, I closed UJ, bro. I closed UJ. I just closed UJ. UJ, let's say UJ. UJ literally break this structure here. I don't think. I think we might continue pushing back up as long as we hold this structure, right? This structure. If not, I'm not going to jump in again. But I closed UJ yesterday. This is the structure that I was expecting to hold. This one.
I look beautiful.
140, 400 is the last thing that I want to see for UJ, but not below this. Below this, I
So
think.
where's it gonna retest it?
It's
It's
huh?
gonna retest me. It's gonna be mellow. Where's the
I mean, UJ,
UJ? EJ. EU man.
UJ. I was expecting to hold this trend, right? I'm expecting to
Yeah.
keep on the trend, but this is the last thing that I want to see to what is this? UJ, right? So if we hold around this place, I think we're good to go. But I think we break this zone and I go out around I think 400 around this. Yes, I just closed it. along yesterday. So if we come back now from UJ, I think I'm going to hold, and after the news, I will see if I'm going to sell or not. This is the zone I want to see to sell UJ. This is the zone I'm going to expect to sell UJ. Above this, I think we're back on track, like this. Above this. This is my thought, but I want to wait. After news, I will decide. I don't see anything, any opportunity. We literally break our zone in this candlestick, right? This is the moment that I would expect the market to come down. If it's testing us, we will see. If not, the market will have to come back like maybe 100 pips before we continue pushing back up. But I'm not gonna jump in before I see something clear, right? Now just wanna hold the EURUSD and see how the market goes. Oh. You want me to see another pairs?
Yeah, man. Gold.
Gold.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
What's the US 30? Did you check the US 30? US 30 what's that?
Yeah, we will. Gold Rashim.
Yeah, man. Let's keep it a good view.
Motherfucker, man.
US 30 a bit of structure under this one.
Yeah, entry. I'm waiting for entry points. Okay, gold. Gold looks nice, bro. Okay, guys. So for gold, I think we took gold on live session last time, right? So I'm still expecting for gold to come back down. I was waiting market to come back down, but this zone literally hold it last time, right? Let's go a little bit lower. So guys, what I'm expecting for gold right now is we have two zones, right? We have two zones, but I want two zones that I want to hold on to. This is the zone we literally took buys on live last time. I put this. And we broke our structure around this place, right? We broke our trend line around this place. So for gold, this is the zones that I want to sell, right? But we have low volume around this place. So I'm expecting gold to come back to 1974. before we push back down. Let me show you. This is the zone I want to see. I don't want to trade that have low volume because it might come back for retest stronger. So I want to see. This is the zone I want to see. Let's go a little bit lower. Yes, this is the zone I want to see because I want to see strong push. I don't want to take low. It's like if I took around 170 or 171, it's gonna be low volume. I think we might push back to, we might push a little bit more to 174. After 174, I think I'm going to sell gold. I'll take short position for gold like this, like 140 pips, something like this. And I don't want to risk too much, so I might risk like 30 pips. 30 pips is enough. This is what I'm looking for gold, guys. This zone is the zone that I want to see. If I want to take sales. If I took around this zone, still we don't have volume, so we might take a chance before we come back. We continue pushing back up. Let's see a little bit lower if we have a chance. Now we're selling now because yeah, as you see, because there is no volume, we didn't take sales. As you guys can see, we wanted to continue pushing back down, but it's still low volume. We need to come back around this zone. So we have this level of resistance, and we have this zone for support. So I think we're good to go below this level. 1974 is a good place to sell, guys.
But I think it's gonna go up today or low after the news.
Sorry,
After the news. ولا يعني كويسة.
I don't know. I'm not so sure. If I took this trade with only maybe 3-4 hours before news, I might take it. If not, I'm not gonna take. We can't know what's gonna happen on news. Maybe after we see.
That's fair.
So this is what I'm looking for. We'll go, guys. But we have news today, so whatever trade you're taking, guys, always trying to take to manage your risk because we can't control it, right? So that's the thing. We can't control the news. For EURUSD, like I said, as long as we respect this zone, we get to go. I'm still gonna hold till this zone to go. You want me to sell another pair? Let's search together. Let's see. Let's see. GBPUSD. Actually, GBPJPY also making the same structure like what this USD. So if I'm taking GBPJPY, it's gonna be buys, but it's not gonna be right now. Oh yes, after news, if GBPUSD is still respecting this zones, let me show you uh, this and this level of resistance, right? If we respect these structures, I think we good for buys. I'm not so sure the entry how much gonna go down, but we still have good buys in here for this. We make the same kind of structure as you guys can see. We have uh, resistance here, support here, but we skip this previous resistance and came back to this one, right? Let me see. Yes, this one. We use this as a resistance to continue pushing up, right? So let's go a little bit lower to see what's going on in here. So it looks like still respected, but we have this zone we need to see. So if the market come back around this place, we have another entry for buys. I didn't take buys yesterday, so I think if we're looking toward this place, I think we're good for buys. It's gonna be valid only if we touch this and continue pushing back up. If not, below this level, I'm not gonna sell. Maybe after news, we might take a correctional trade. Not below that, I'm not gonna trade. So let's see. The only thing that I want to see today is just holding EURUSD before news. If we are only like risking 30 pips, so we're gonna be fine. Okay, let's see. Gold is still holding this zone. Let's see.
What about DJ?
GG, I've checked it. That's still nothing. Just waiting for confirmation for GG. Okay,
So
for GG, right?
GCAD, okay, GPP CAD. When you finish that one, check it out.
Okay, so for GJ guys, I'm looking this to I'm expecting these zones right on GJ. We have this zone and we've been moving on this consolidation zone for the past week, right? And today now this week. So I think for UJ we still respected this zone, right? We still respect this the last lows. As you guys can see, we have this last lows and we respect this zone and continue. Let's see. Continue like 100 pips, right? So as long as we're still respecting this zone, I think we good to continue pushing up. But today I didn't take this trade on BJ because I'm still expecting the market to come back to this level, right? We still have this level. We respected this level, but I think it's going to test us and come back if below this. If I see, let's go a little bit lower. You see, DJ, I'm still expecting the market to come back touch this place. Now, even if you see it, guys, I checked it today. Actually, if you see it, if we go a little bit lower, you will see it's trying to give us opportunity that we for buys, but it's not gonna happen because as long just like I explained today, like I don't want to take trades that have low volume. We might take like 20, 30 pips, like EURUSD last time we took like this. I know when we took it's have a low volume, but it's like we still have secured like 30 pips. That's why I just took it because I know it's not gonna happen on last week for this trade, right? So also on GG is the same thing. I don't want to take trade that have low volume. I want it to come back around this place and break the structure. We still, even though if you see at 15 minutes, you guys can see if you this is where most people get locked out. If you see this, if you think this is an opportunity for buys, you will be locked out because you enter for in the middle. I don't want to enter in the middle, so I want to wait till I see this yes, this place. Right after I see this place, only I'm taking this trade if we go above this level. If not, I'm not gonna check them. If we go lower, you can see still like it's still giving us a little bit faked out, but still we didn't give us a new highs. You understand? Still we have this zone respected. Still this zone is respected. So I want it to come back here. To come back here, give us this kind of structure before we continue pushing back up, right? This is what I'm expecting from GBPJPY before we continue pushing back up, guys. I don't want to take these buys because just like I said, if I took this, I think we're going to be stopped out like maybe 20 pips. I was going to take GG actually here because it looks like, if you guys can see, it looks like we have a structure. We break the structure, we retest income, continue pushing back up, right? I'm not going to take them because we still have this zone that we didn't break. When you have a low volume trade, it's going to continue pushing back up, like maybe show you 10, 15 pips, and you'll be drawdown. So I want to see structure is broken perfectly. So the only thing I want to see is here. If we come back, continue like this, I think we're going to make this structure and continue pushing back up. This is what I see on GJ, right? Okay. Yeah, but I don't know. GJ will move before that. I don't think we're going to wait till news pass because GJ have volatile. So instead, GJ in gold, we might give us confirmation before news because it's not like EURUSD or something. It's like this is volatile markets, so we'll have time. Okay, so um, for GPP USD, USD JPY, still the same thing, still respecting this place. Just like I said, we might continue more 100 pips back more because to see retest and on a previous resistance zone. If we break this zone and break the last highs, I think we're going to continue pushing back up and be on track. But I'm not gonna know. Nobody can know until we see. We wait and see. So let's see another pair. Let's see um, another pair. Another pair. What do you want, guys? Let's check. Middle cat. If you are new on my in my signal room, I think you might know. You might be confused. Most people will give you signal like crazy. I'm not gonna give signals until I see a good trade. And if I take losses, I want to take losses proudly. I don't want to get rush and be stopped out. If I stop, I start. When we get stopped out, it's something that has to be that we can come back from. It's not, some trades you be stopped out for 100 pips, something like this, and you can't, you will flow your account like this. So, um, if we took in trade, this have to be a trade that we can come back from. So that's why mirror card looks like it's just a fucked up game. Let's just see. Amazing. AUD cat. Okay, AUD cat. AUD cat. Okay, bro. For AUD guide, we have this zone that we took last time. If you guys remember, I don't know, but we took this trade together. This is the last time I took AUD guide. Also, this is the trade that we took last time. After that, I think we continue pushing back down. I didn't take this trade. Let's see, it's a daily. Let's have our trend. Let's keep it on track like this. We have to we have to support in here. We have this zone and we have this zone, right? Okay, for AUD card, this is a daily time frame. We still have this open channel that we've been moving for the past like maybe what is this? Yeah, from December, right? So we have this zone, like we have open channel, like or around 600 pips, 700 pips between us. We'll be moving, right? So what I'm trying to look from here is just want to be on the train. I want to keep on the train. Now the train looks like we are going down train, even though we break this train line that we have structures in here, but the market still have respected highs and still respected here and still respected here, right? So as long as we've been doing this and still opening another here, let's go a little bit lower. Okay, so we have this zone that we're opening channel and move toward them and coming back down, right? So for me to take this trade, I think we might took me a little bit time because I want to see a confirmation from here. If I'm taking buys, definitely going to wait them to come back here to the red line that I put and continue pushing back up. If or it must be about this. This is what I'm talking buys. If you're already taking sales around this place, I think you good to go till you see what is this? Till you see this zone. This is the two zones that's gonna happen. Definitely gonna happen because it's like I think we continue pushing back up and break this place today because we have AUD news today. I think that might be the reason. I didn't see that. I didn't see AUD gap before that. If we do, I think we have these two zones. I want to see this place is breaking again. This is after we break this zone, we still respect the highs, the lows. You understand? So I want to see it's broken again and come back for to use this as a support place to continue pushing back up. So it's gonna take time, maybe a week or something, because this AUD card is very slow. So let's see. If not, we might see you might pay out another like 200 pips per people if you take sales around this place. So before you take anything, just try to confirm. This is what matter. We still have 200 pips done. If you wanna open the trade that you can hold longer and like have some good profits, I think it's better if you just open around this place. That's what I'm thinking. Okay.
Euro AUD, bro.
What did you say?
Euro Australian.
EURAUD. AUD. Okay. There you go. Sorry, guys. I'm still in my bed. I'm trying
Captain
to rob
Coffee.
a bed today. That's why.
I was thinking it'll go down.
Okay, let's get that. This is monthly, guys. This is monthly. So, okay, my monthly, we have this zone and this structure open, and also this is the last ice that we see. This is the zone, and we're just here. So, all right, let's go a little bit lower. Okay, this is the two zones I wanted to see. I wanted to see these zones breaking. Listen, okay, let's make so,
That's what I was trying to grab the lure right now, the cell.